Hello everyone, today we're going to see how to add soundboards to your Discord channel or server. So the first thing that you have to do is to select your channel in the left corner, then you do a right click on it, you go to server settings, and then you go and search for soundboard. You click on that, and then you click on upload sound. And now you will have to choose a file for the sound you want to add. So there is a website that you can find sounds on called my instance over here. And in this website, you can find multiple sounds like these ones. The wow sound or the wrist sound, for example, and so on. So you will have to download one sound. You click download MP3. And once you have that, you can now add it to the Discord. You click on browse files, you go to the file that you downloaded and you select it. And here you can choose the length of the sound that you want to use. For example, if you want to cut it in the half, you can do it like this, or you can keep it full. Okay, after that you will choose a name for the soundboard. I will call it wow, and you can choose an emoji. So I'll choose this one. Then I will upload it. Once you do that, now you can go back to your channel, you can join a voice chat, and after joining, you can find it in the bottom over here, open soundboard, you click on it, and you can use the sound that you added by clicking on it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.